Upon signing in as an admin, you'll notice a button on the side that reads Edit this page. This allows us to edit content on our site. Click it. The page will refresh and the button will now read Options. You'll see boxes that you can hover upon. All of this means that you're now ready to edit content. Let's change the content on this site to read About Us rather than Who We Are. Simply select the text that you wish to change and edit away. You can save those changes and publish the site at once, or save the content and publish at a later time. Let's save our changes for now. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm those changes and to add any notes about the latest version that you're saving. Let's scroll down for a bit. If you want to change the image of your site's content, simply click on it and select a new one by clicking the image icon on this editor here. A pop-up message that reads Upload Images should appear. You can align the image to the left, center, or right. The way our site's currently designed, we'll center the image for now. If you'd like to edit where a user is directed after clicking a button, you can change those settings by double-clicking on the button and editing the redirect URL. Now, only for demonstration purposes, I'll change the URL to this button so that users can be redirected to google.com. But I won't save or publish it as an edit. Now it's your turn. Please go to the About page. On the Who We Are section, please edit the content to include the 3 goals. Pause the video and see if you can include that information. Do not save or publish. Just get a feel for how to edit content for now. Great, here's how I did it. I clicked the orange Edit button. Then I selected the text I wanted to edit. That's it for editing content. You can add sections to a web page. You'll see that you can add a widget or add a section. Let's add a new section for now and talk about widgets in a bit. I'll include a header, add some paragraphs, I can align the paragraph to the left, center, or right. I'll also add an image and align it to the center. I can save, publish it live, or delete this section altogether. What's a widget? A widget is a reusable component that you can add anywhere throughout your site. This newsletter section is a widget because it's reused throughout various pages on a site. This upcoming events component is also a widget. Widgets are created, stored, and edited in one location, and that's your dashboard. If you'd like to edit an existing widget, you need to head over to the dashboard and locate it. Let's do that. We'll edit the widget to read View Your Newsletter instead of Our Newsletter. First, click on Site. Head over to Custom Widgets. Locate the widget you'd like to edit. In our case, it's the newsletter widget. Edit the content. Click Save and you're done. Click the home icon to preview the site. Now the widget has been successfully updated throughout every portion that it appears on a site. Now it's your turn. Revert the changes back so that it reads View Our Newsletter and not Your. Well done. Now it reads Our Newsletter. Click Edit this page if you'd like to add an additional widget to this page. After scrolling down, you'll see the Add a Section signifier. From there, you can click to add a widget and select any widget from this list. Let's talk about moving components up or down along our page. These components can be our widgets or our sections. Let's talk about moving widgets first. You can move widgets up or down along our page based on your preference. Let's say we want to move the upcoming events widget so that it is one of the first things our users will see. We can move it upwards. First, click to edit the page and ensure you're in edit mode. Second, locate to select the widget in question. Click on the up arrow on the top left corner and move it up as many levels as you'd prefer. That covers moving widgets. Let's now talk about moving sections along our page. To move a section, the process is similar, but it involves clicking on the 3-bar icon instead. Let's move this section downwards. You can save now and publish later, or save and publish now. Let's discuss saving changes versus saving and publishing. If you make an edit and save it, it'll get stored in SilkStart's memory as a saved change. However, it will not get published. In order to publish that change, you'll need to refresh the page. You should then see a blue Publish button, which will allow for you to publish those edits live. You can also make an edit and save and publish simultaneously, also known as killing 2 birds with 1 stone or feeding 2 birds with 1 seed, however you look at it.